Hey, hi guys, good afternoon. So let's start a new topic. So today topic is how to runtime fetch all collection and field in node.js. Okay, using React. So we are front end side we are using React and back end side we are using node.js. And you have already knowledge ki how to schema create a node.js site. No, you using MongoDB and Node.js. Then firstly you creating all the schema, all the collections like this, and you can CRUD operation you can use it. But sometimes you need runtime fetch all the collections and specific collections selected, then specific collection inside all the fields you need. So how to achieve this? So we will showing you. So we are I will show you firstly output, then we will discuss front end code as well as also back end code. Back end code is very important because back end code inside a whole logic handling, front end only the display. So I will show you firstly front end side. Okay, this is front end. So I click on here, see here is limbs table. So I click on here, then calling the backend API. So like it's a get collection inside all the collection list is passing server to client, and here is showing. So see here is all the collection are displayed like as a end to end collection. So I will show you also the MongoDB collection. See here is all the collection, see all the collection available here. Similar here also the collection is available. So like this doctors, this one is a runtime fetch all the collections. So if one click specific collection, then specific field also specific collection face all the field is retrieved to backend side. So yeah, I will show you backend code in node.js, then we will step by step we are following. Okay, let's go to backend side. So yeah, this is backend side. Okay, so firstly I will tell you ki backend is we are using node.js in GraphQL using code firstly. So this is very like as a is different way development, but right now we focus only the how to get collections and how to get fetch the collection inside field. So see here is resolver. I write like as here our key REST API and GraphQL two way we are using creating API point. So here we are using GraphQL rather than the REST API. Okay, so here is creating mutation. So mutation inside firstly queries there is not required the mutation means like as a post related, and get related means like as a query inside not more than parameter passing. So I query inside like as here is defined a get collection list, and specific service inside write a get collection. So once the get collection, then record passing the server to client side. Okay, so we are going to service inside get collection list. So see here is we are using try catch block inside let result. So firstly database connect DB. I will also show you where is defining DB. So after that await this dot get collection list. So this dot get collection list, after that here is we are using promise. After that dot 10 result dot length greater than 0 means result inside some record is available, then await this dot get list. Okay, if now is equal to means like as a result dot length is equal to 0 means again calling same API get list. Okay, and here is result is getting. So yeah, response is getting, then return the response. So see get list is very important. So here always also here defining one function inside try catch. So Here is constant let because there is right now connected database. Okay, database connected and fetching the all the collection. So delay here passing. Wait this dot sleep. Sleep means like here set timeouts. So after that 5 millisecond, call the next query. So here is constant mongo status. Here mongo dot collection dot read state. Okay, means mongodb is up to date, means your status is correction, open, disconnected, like this. So here is mongodb is 2 or 1 means connecting, yeah, open, like this. After that is mongoose dot collection dot db dot list collection. This is very important. Okay, mongoose dot collection dot db dot list collection. After that converting all the list collection to array, and here is passing the names of the array, and here is like the let is equal to 0, I less than equal name dot length I plus plus. Here is constant name only, means here passing the only the collection name and pushing the empty array one list. And after that is again sleep, and because there is some delay also coming, so after that is list is up to date, then passing to the main original functions. And here is getting, then here is resolver passing, and it resolver get collection is passing to the client side. Okay, this is how to fetching collection. Then second point is key how to get specific collection field. So this is important. See, here is we are using notation is like this post. Okay, so here is also the segment mapping inside collection name we write. See here collection name. Okay, specific collection name passing. So here also the get collection field is defining a service. Here is payload inside we passing client specific collection name. So also again here is database connected, again going to sleep, also status change data mongodb test is equal to 2 or 1. Then see, this is very important, constant collection is equal to mongo's connection db dot collections inside pass the specific collection. Okay, like as you have a multiple collection user, like as a product, so order, maybe there is multiple collection passing here. And after that is await collection dot find. Okay, all the find sort means like as a minimum 200 records to array convert. Okay, firstly almost all field available 200 to array convert. After that is let key. See, here is document type. Okay, so documents type also the we are facing, but you don't consider document type, you important keys. So schema dot filter, so schema is passing here, document type, so this is ignore. Here is important keys means specific collection inside keys. So item here passing, item inside multiple keys values means like this. I click on specific collection, open inside. See, here is multiple keys and value. See, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. Okay, so yeah, item, and after that for loop constant key in item. So here is face the key and empty keys array to push the specific key. After that key means multiple keys available. So here is we are uniquely defining. So key is equal to array of spread operator new set keys, and after that keys dot filter. Then we not record dash u. So here is remove the dash u, and after that up to date keys is available, means uniquely key available. Means sometimes collection inside specific collection inside first record is 2 key, then after collection similar collection type another record inside maybe 20 key. So we are checking almost 200 records, a single collection inside record, and compare and fetching all the key and passing through the records inside key and document type to passing to the client side. So I hope you understand. So there is very important how to fetch all the runtime collection and passing to the also the key specific collection keys getting and passing to the client side. So I will show you connection db. So here is we are using mongoose connections. So also the here is see mongoose connect mongodb means like as connect db means mongoose connect. So here is passing the environment wise key, so you can pass directly your keys. Okay, after that here is all the databases connection, also const db mongoose connection you can pass. After that also the disconnect, that's it. And whole logic here also service inside. So get collections, get list means get list of collections, and after that is collection specific list to array, find the keys and pass into the client side. This is very important. So I hope you understand. I will show also front end, also I will show you backend code. So if you need queries, then also always ping me, I will definitely help you. So also the share and also very important, subscribe my channel. So thank you guys, bye bye.